This cute little project is my homespun gingerbread decor using a 4 by 4 inch frame from the Dollar Tree, as well as this cute Merry and Sweet Christmas transfer set. That little gingerbread man is from that set. And I'm also using this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. Now, again, like I said, the little gingerbread man is from the Merry and Sweet Christmas from Essential Stencil. Now, I will have a link to this particular set in the description box. And guys, again, as I'll say, if by chance they are sold out, just do a request a request for restock notification, because that lets Essential Stencil staff know that you're interested, and then they know kind of what to reorder and stock for what we're interested in. Okay. All right. So guys, what I did is I just took a piece of that scrapbook paper, and then I just took the frame apart. I'm not going to be using the glass. I'm just going to be using that backer of that little frame. And then I just cut it out, using my friction pen, and I figured out which spot on the scrapbook paper I wanted. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere that gingerbread man to this scrapbook paper, just using the Essential Stencil transfer tool, and easy peasy lemon squeezy, and that just attaches so well. Now, what I like to do is kick it up a notch and take my little transfers to give them the more hand painted look. So I'm just taking my Kiehl's dark wax and just a little scruffy brush. I go around and give it a little bit of depth and dimension, and then that gives it that extra hand painted look. I also add some of my Icicles Stickles, which is glitter glue. And when it dries, it just gives it an extra sparkle for my already cute projects. But again, that goes in with the hand painted look. All right, so for the little bow, what I did is I just ripped some homespun fabric, and I also have just some laces that I cut apart. And then also I'm using some of that table runner that I get from Hobby Lobby. I've mentioned this in previous videos. What I do is I get one, it's ivory, and then I take my vintage photo distress ink and give it the brown coffee stain look. And so I love, using this. Then I just have my little mini bow dabra. It's perfect to kind of hold my little pieces here, just to so that I can, kind of gather it all together. I also added some sisal grass to my bow, and then just tied everything off with jute. Now I'm going to go ahead and adhere that to the frame. And then the chunky red heart is something that I had on hand. I was cleaning out, a drawer, and I found these package of chunky red hearts, and I'm like, oh my goodness, why haven't I used those? So that's what I'm using them. I'm sorry, I don't know where I got them from, but they are super duper cute. Once I got my tag finished, then I'm using some glossy accents just to give it a shiny look over the top. I just kind of pat it so that I don't smear any of the inking around the little tag. And I just love how this little guy turned out, and he's perfect for the holiday season, for tiered trays, for decor, or just a special gift for someone.